Hello everyone, welcome you all. As you all know that we have started discussing about the national parks and tiger reserves. Today we are going to see in the state of Assam. See, this is the overall tiger reserves present here. One is Nameri Tiger Reserve and other one is Kaziranga National Park and then Orang Tiger Reserve National Park and then Manas National Park. See, and also one more thing one has to note down that one more national park is here, that is nothing but Dibru-Saikhowa National Park. Let us see about this Dibru-Saikhowa National Park. It is designated as the Biosphere Reserve. This park is bounded by Brahmaputra and Loit River in the north, and then in the south, Dibru River. Kindly remember those things. And what about the vegetation? It's a moist green forest, and also it's a moist mixed deciduous forest and grassland. What are the major fauna present here? That is barking deer, hawk deer, and then sambar deer, and then gangetic dolphin. That is very important. See, this gangetic dolphin is present here in Dibru Saikhowa National Park. Kindly remember those important points related to the major fauna. With this, I am moving to the Kaziranga Tiger Reserve, that is national park also. See, this is the World Heritage Site. It is recognized as the important bird area by the BirdLife International. And then what about the vegetation? It's a terroir marsh with the vast expanse of the elephant grass and dense tropical moist broadleaf forest. And then what about the threats? The threats is flood and encroachment by people. This is the major threat. So kindly remember. What about the major fauna present here? See, the park hosts two-thirds of the world's greatest one-horned rhinos. So that is very important. One-horned means that is automatically Kaziranga, and then the one-horned rhinos and the Royal Bengal tiger, Asiatic elephant, wildlife buffalo, and swamp deer are collectively known as Big Five of Kaziranga. Kindly remember, and also note down that this Kaziranga has the largest population of the wild water buffaloes. See, this wild buffalo is listed as endangered, and also note down that the small herbivores include Indian muchatak and then wild boar and oak deer. And what about the Manas Tiger Reserve? See, this is also very important reserve. See, it is UNESCO Natural World Heritage. It is an important elephant reserve and a biosphere reserve. And also note down that it's a contiguous with the Royal Manas National Park in Bhutan. And also note down that it's a right branch of the Manas River passes through the out of the national park. What about the major fauna here? Combination of Barba terroir formation, which makes one of the richest area of the biodiversity. And what about the rare and endemic, that is endangered endemic wildlife, that is Assam roofed turtle, that is endangered, and also golden rancord, that is also endangered, and then pygmy hawk, that is also endangered. And also Manas is famous for its population of the wild water buffaloes, that is also endangered, and grassland biomes. So these and all very important facts one has to remember. See, this Bengal flow critically endangered schedule one of the World Life Protection Act of 1972. It is placed in Appendix 1. And also kindly remember, this forest biome is also very important. That is Chinese pangolin and the great hornbills, etc. So this is very important. And what about the major fauna present here? Barishinga and then Indian tigers, Indian leopards, clouded leopards, Asian golden cats. So these and all very important facts related to the Manas Tiger Reserve. Kindly go through this. With this, I am moving with the Nameri Tiger Reserve. This is also very important national park. See, this Nameri shares in the northest boundary of the Paki Tiger Reserve. Just now we have discussed in the map. See, the Paki Tiger Reserve of Arunachal Pradesh. So kindly remember those things. And also, Nameri Tiger Reserve has the two core areas. One is Nameri National Park and Sonai Rupai Wildlife Sanctuary. And what about the river Kaming? This is also flows along with the southern boundary of the park from the northwest to the southwest. And also note on that the major faunas are tiger, leopard, and then somber dhoil, that is nothing but the Asiatic wild dog, and then clouded leopard, that is vulnerable. So kindly remember those things, very important. And then what are the threats? See the human elephant conflicts and poachers who wants the valuable birds from their wings. So these and all very important threats. One has to note down these things related to the Nameri Tiger Reserve. I'm just moving with Rajiv Gandhi, that is Orang Tiger Reserve. That is also a national park. See, the river Danshri flows along with the western edge of the park. And also, the Warang Park is only the stronghold of the rhinos and of the north bank of the Brahmaputra River. And also note on that the major fauna present here are the great Indian rhinos, that is vulnerable, and then as we have discussed about these things, and also Gangetic dolphins, that is very important, and then Indian pangolin, that is also present in the Orang Tiger Reserve. And also note on that what are the threats, that is very important: illegal occupation by the immigrants from the neighboring countries, and also poaching, wide river channels. So these and all major threats with respect to the Orang Tiger Reserve. So one has to note down these important facts related to the national parks and tiger reserves present in the Assam. With this, I am concluding this session. We will meet in the next session. Thank you all. Have a good day.